Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor.
Special marine warning.
12:15 p.m. At 10:37 a.m., gust fronts were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to
Don't
11
mind this.
nautical miles
I'll talk
north
about
of
that.
Key Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Magassee River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Herring Bay,
I'm legit in school.
Sandy Point State Park, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Hart Miller Island, Tillman Island, and Gibson Island. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. The National Weather Service forecast for the Philadelphia metropolitan area.
Okay, so this broke off, unfortunately. I can still,
Tuesday for portions of the
obviously,
listening area.
get the broadcast. I can't get WXL 39 on this radio anymore,
Chance
so
of
that
rain showers
sucks.
late this morning. Then